Hey guys, Brett from Rev Rides here. We are going to do a quick video on the size and portability of the Zero model scooters. We have the 08, 09, 010, and 010X here today. I'm going to discuss the four main questions that we get asked about these scooters, and those questions are the size of the deck, we got the stem height, the way that these scooters fold and about the size of them folded, and the weight of each scooter. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is the stem height on the scooters. So the 08, 9, and 10 and the 10X all have a max height of 39 inches from deck to the handlebars. So the 8, 9, and 10 are all adjustable. You can adjust these down and back up to their max height, but the 10X is not adjustable. It is stationary and standard at 39 inches tall. You can adjust the handlebars. That might give you about 38 inches to 41 inches, but in actuality, it does not make a huge difference. Okay. So next is the sizes of the decks on these models. We'll start with the 08, which is about 21 inches long by 7 inches wide. The 09 is 23 inches long by 7.5 inches wide. The 010 is 23 inches long by 9 inches wide. And the 010 is 21 inches long and about 9 inches wide. But one big thing to note is on the 010, the hinge here does not take up any space on the deck, whereas on the 10, 9, and 8 model, the hinge takes about 3 inches. So you lose about 3 inches of deck space, usable deck space on these smaller models. Okay, so next I want to talk about the folding and the portability of these models. The 08, 9, and 10 all have folding stems that lock into place for easy portability. It's nicer for you to carry around. The 08 and 9 weigh about 40 pounds, so it's not too bad if you need to pick up and carry around. Same with the 10, it weighs in a little bit heavier at about 50 pounds, so it's still pretty easy to pick up and carry. The 010X, on the other hand, does not have a locking stem, so it's a little bit harder to pick up and carry around. I wouldn't recommend trying to bring this thing up steps, but it is fine for picking up and like loading into a truck or loading into your car to move around, because it does weigh about 80 pounds, so it is on the heavier side. It is a heftier scooter. The handlebars on the 8, 9, and 10 all fold in, making it a little more compact, whereas on the 10, the handlebars do not fold in. All right guys, this concludes the video for today. Hopefully this information helped you in your decision on what scooter to buy. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. We're happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.